sky turns gray and the rain falls down, I'll be your shelter, I'm always around. In the middle of the storm when the winds blow cold, take my hand, it's your heart I'll hold. When the road is rough and you feel alone, lean on me, I'll guide you home. Through the valleys deep and the mountains high, with you I'll walk, don't ever cry. I'll be there for you through thick and thin, in the darkest days. And when you win, just call my name, I'll lend an ear. In your corner I'll always be near. In the fields of gold, under autumn's hue, I'll stand by you, no matter what you do. Through the laughter sweet and the tears sincere, know my love for you won't disappear. When dreams seem lost and hope feels small, I'll be your strength, I'll catch your fall. Two hearts together, we'll find our way, side by side, come what may. I'll be there for you